Welcome to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2026, presented by 511 Tactical.
Hey guys, Luke C here with TFBTV. Welcome back to SHOT Show 2026. I'm here at the Yankee Hill Machine Co. booth to talk about their new Victra 20. Tom, what do we got going on with the Victra 20?
So with the Victra 20 at SHOT Show here, we released the 20 gauge version of the V20. So the V12 has a partner in the shotgun suppressor category.
Is 20 gauge like a hotly requested item for you guys, or it seems to me like it's a little less popular than 12 gauge. 12 gauge is obviously ubiquitous. So
yeah, I think 12 gauge is going to be more widespread throughout the industry, but there's still a lot of 20 gauge owners, and there's even new products that are introduced this week here at SHOT Show by big companies with new 20 gauge shotgun models.
Okay. So basically anything similar to the Victra 12 last year, anything that has a choke can basically accept your guys' shotgun suppressor.
So the mounting platform for both the V12 and V20 are pretty much similar. Obviously the gauge size is different, but if the host firearm has internal threaded chokes on the barrel, the factory choke gets removed. You use a YHM brand-specific choke for the brand of the host firearm. The suppressor would thread onto that, and the actual choking of the load delivering to the target is going to happen in the end of the suppressor.
Okay.
Both models, the V12 and the V20, ship with the improved cylinder chokes, but we do sell full and modified for each of those. And
so instead of just being married to one pattern, you can do everything from longer shots, like close range shots, trap, skeet, 5-stand, home defense.
So whatever sport the person wants to utilize the shotgun with and suppress it, we have the application and the parts to do that. And
remind us again, I assume it's the same as the Victra 12, but the 20 is also made from the same set of materials, aluminum, stainless steel?
Identical materials to the V12, obviously just scaled down for 20 gauge. The big difference is the length. It's still going to be modular. The V12 runs 6 inches to 12 inches, where the V20 runs 10 inches down to 4 inches. So that's exciting to
Much
have.
smaller package.
Yeah, the hearing safe shotgun at 4 inches is very exciting.
And I know you guys showed us last year, but explain for our audience here just how simple it is to take this thing apart and reassemble it.
So you just would have an Allen wrench here. There's 2 rods that go through the body of the suppressor. You just remove the 2 screws, and then you just pick each piece off one by one. And there's like an A-B suppressor, and you just put it back in an A-B configuration to whatever length you choose. To do that, you do need the rod kit or the individual rod with a specific length to achieve.
And is that separate from the suppressor package?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Awesome. And then is there a price difference between the 12 and the 20?
Yeah, so the 12 is going to be a little bit more expensive. The retail is $979, and the V20 retail is, I believe, it's $889. And obviously, street pricing will be a little bit less expensive than the retail.
Okay. So. And just out of curiosity, do you have a rough weight on the Victra 20 versus the 12?
I know the V12 is just over a pound, about 17 ounces, and the V20 is a little bit lighter than the V12, obviously, because it's a smaller and shorter model.
Available now, shipping now, or soon?
The V12 is available at your local dealer now. We have shipped quite a few through our distributors and dealers. The V20 we expect to have on the shelf for your dealers and consumers to purchase around the time of the NRA 2026.
Okay, cool. So not too far from now.
Correct. Yep.
All right, cool. And then switching topics just slightly, you guys, this is your 75th anniversary. Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
You have some gilded suppressors here. Are these going to be a limited edition series or a one-off?
So it is a one-of. It's a limited series. It's an exclusive item. If anyone would like to purchase it, you'd have to go to silencershop.com or purchase from a dealer who has purchased them from silencershop.com. I believe there's a limited number still available, but you'd have to check with your local dealer or contact silencershop.com or call into them.
And about how much would these run?
So I believe the retail on these are about $2,500.
That's not bad. Is the coating here, I assume that's a sort of high temp Cerakote?
Yes, it's
Okay.
high temp Cerakote. These are usable. They're not like safe cleans. They are usable suppressors.
They're
so-
shooting suppressors.
Yes.
Okay.
So they're fully functional. It's the best, our best selling models, the R2, the T3, and the R9. So you have a 5.56, a 9mm, and a 30 caliber, and you have a challenge coin, a nice certificate of authenticity signed by our owner, Chris Graham. Beautiful presentation case with our 75th anniversary logo.
Very cool. Dude, well, congratulations on 75 years, Tom.
Thank you.
And thank you for showing us the new Victra 20 and
Absolutely.
the anniversary suppressors. And guys, stay tuned for more from SHOT Show 2026 here on our last day on the floor.